Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about some essentials shortcuts that can make your work easier and faster. Let's get started. The first shortcut is Ctrl plus P. By using this shortcut, you can open print dialog window, allowing you to print your documents quickly and efficiently. Next up is Ctrl plus N. Placing this shortcut creates a new workbook, perfect for starting a new project or organizing your data. Let's talk about Ctrl plus S. This shortcut allows you to save your current workbook, ensuring that your work is safe and secure. With Ctrl plus C, you can copy the contents of your current selection, and with Ctrl plus V, we can paste data from the clipboard. Moving on to Shift plus F3. By placing this shortcut, you can display the function Insert dialog window, making it easy to insert functions into your Excel sheet. Plus F11 is another useful shortcut. Pressing this combination creates a new worksheet, allowing you to organize your data effectively. And finally, we have F2. By pressing this shortcut, you can check formulas and send regions, helping you catch any errors in your calculation. So there you have it, some important Excel shortcut that can improve your productivity. If you found this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.